bounce back win over the UE Red Warriors 111 to 99. The Brown Tigers are now at 3-1. We have assistant coach Juven Ledesma, Nick Caballero, and Colin Sacco. Coach, congratulations with this victory. Although nakalamang yung UE as much as 9 points in the first quarter, the boys were able to come back and post the most highest points in the season. So what can you say about the team's effort?
Number one, especially with the way we prepare this team, got sobrang kumpiyansa ni Coach Pito, especially our vets, Nick, Fortsky, of course also Collins. He's been playing under the weather for I think almost 2 weeks now. So we gotta give credit then of course to UE. They really played well. Binabantayan talaga namin yun during their last game pa against Ateneo. We know how they played and they came out very aggressive. But just the same, we're not taking any team here for granted. It's the UAAP. That's the beauty of the UAAP. Anything can happen. So happened that Coach Pidu lang talaga. He empowers not just the players but also the coaches too. From the practice plan to the way we prepare. We put the team in situations like this, down big, up big. So kasama rin talaga sa preparation talaga ni Coach Pido. And of course, nakikita naman natin yung suporta ng the whole community. Papasalamat kami dyan. Ramdam na ramdam namin, especially that we're playing in our home court.
Thank you, Coach. To Collins, you have 18 points, 17 rebounds, 3 blocks, 2 steals, and plus 12. As Coach Juven said, you're under the weather the last time out. That's why you had season lows, but you bounced back big this time. So what can you say na it is a very important win, especially to bring your confidence back?
Actually, first of all, give glory to God for giving me the privilege to be here. Also, I want to thank my teammates and the coaches. After the loss, they checked up on me. They were like, "Valens, how you doing? Okay?" I'm like, because after the game, I actually went home. I was feeling so sick, like extremely sick. I was having high temperature. So they checked up on me. Even the next day, I couldn't practice. Even yesterday, I was just in practice, just to do the night work. But I thank God for putting me in this position right now. Thank God for God to win.
Thank you to Nick. You had 22 points, 8 assists, 3 rebounds, 2 steals. So yun nga, mabigat yung talo nyo against NU. Ito, nakabalik kayo na sa winning column. So, ano yung mga natutunan nyo from that? Siyempre, kasi maganda yung umpisa nyo, 2-0, tapos biglang nagkaroon kayo ng rough patch against NU.
Motivation ng talaga namin na yung past game namin sa NU gusto namin yung mawin namin is hindi higit, but respect hindi. Nilakad na lahat ng mga coaches, yung mga game plans namin, and nakakatulong siguro din yung bonding namin sa isa't isa ng teammates and coaches. Malaking bagay yun to help one another na to boost our confidence even galing kami sa tayo.
Thank you. Okay,